In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a successful business Instagram account to enhance your brand's online presence. Let's dive into the exciting world of social media marketing and see how you can leverage Instagram to connect with your audience and grow your business. First, you need to set up your business account. If you already have a personal Instagram account, you can easily switch it to a business account by heading to the account settings and selecting Switch to Professional Account. From there, choose the option that best describes your business, such as creator or business, and follow the prompts to complete your profile details. Remember, a business account provides you with invaluable tools like insights and analytics that can help you understand your audience and content performance better. Once your account is set up, the next step is to consistently post engaging photos and stories. Since Instagram is a visually driven platform, it's essential to maintain a cohesive and appealing aesthetic. Consider using high-quality images that reflect your brand's personality and engage your audience through interactive content in stories like polls or question stickers. Regularly posting not only keeps your audience engaged, but also increases your chance to appear in their feeds more often, helping you maintain visibility. Another crucial aspect of growing your business on Instagram is using relevant hashtags and tagging your products effectively. Hashtags can significantly expand your reach when chosen wisely. Research and use a combination of trending, niche-specific, and branded hashtags with each post. Additionally, tagging your products if you're in retail makes it easier for followers to get detailed information and even purchase products directly through Instagram, streamlining their shopping experience and boosting your sales potential. Engagement is key to building a loyal community on Instagram. Take time to interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. This engagement shows your audience that you value their input and are interested in building genuine connections. It's also a good practice to follow similar accounts and like or comment on their posts. This kind of engagement can sometimes lead to mutual support and expand your network within your industry. Lastly, consider using Instagram ads to boost your visibility. With Instagram's powerful advertising tools, you can create targeted campaigns that reach your ideal audience based on demographic information, interests, and behaviors. Whether your goal is to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads, Instagram ads can provide measurable impact and increase your brand's exposure beyond your existing followers. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a vibrant and effective business Instagram account that not only attracts new followers but also strengthens your brand's presence on the platform. Stay consistent, engage genuinely, and harness the power of Instagram to propel your business forward. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you achieve success in your Instagram endeavors. Until next time.